Alright, what's up guys? So I've put a 180 degree thermostat in this car. If you follow my channel, you know that. Put it in there yesterday, and I was just flooded with all kind of comments and questions on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on the forums of people, asking all kinds of questions about this thermostat and what's it doing to the car. And oh, look at this, look at this, look at this, look. Pull right out in front of me. What an idiot. So, I can't believe I caught that on film. Just pulled right out in front of me. Anyway, this is my temperatures running. Just a second ago was cruise control set 70 miles an hour. Now I'm cruising at about 50. The speed limits went down. And these are my temperatures that I've got here. Now, as long as I'm driving, this is about where it's going to run. Anywhere from 184 up to 192. Outside temp now is not too bad, 85 degrees. So 185, 186 is probably close. So this is driving. This is where it's going to run at. I don't get any weird stuff going on with the computer system or anything. Here cruising at 48, 50 miles an hour, 4-cylinder mode's activated still. I'm getting this up. Here comes we got a red light coming up. So we'll get to see what it does when you're stopped here. All right, so stopped at the red light. Just a little filming of how the car reacts to sitting. Now, it ain't but, let's see, now 86 degrees outside, but I did it yesterday afternoon. It does about the same thing. It got up, I think it was 93 degrees outside yesterday afternoon, and I got in stop and go traffic for about 20 minutes, and it got up to about 201, 203, something around in there. But as soon as I got driving again, it dropped back down to about 186, 187 and stayed there. So, been sitting here for a minute or so at this red light. It's still at 185, 186. Just keep an eye on it here for those of you that's wondering about it. Like 186 is about as high as it got. Take it back off again. Oil temps at 190. Intake temp got it to about 98. All right, 96, 95. I'm doing this video because I've got a whole lot of comments from folks about how, it's going to cause a bunch of issues with the computer in the car. It's going to cause a bunch of issues with the fuel mileage of the car. And I did this on my 2016 Scat, and 6 or 7 months I drove the car with a 180 thermostat. Even went through some of the winter months, and it did take longer to warm up, it seemed, in the winter months. But I never really had no troubles out of it. I got about the same gas mileage out of it that I got out of this when I was working at the same place. And if you follow my Instagram stuff, I've gotten up to 28 miles per gallon in this car on a 70-mile trip to work. So there you have it, guys. This is how it reacts. Again, I'm going down a hill now, so that's why my fuel mileage is kind of high, but that's what your temperatures stay at. I used to get old temperatures of like 230, 240 sometimes, 250 even in traffic, and it was just, I don't see a downside to this. So I will run it for a little while, and if it starts to give me any kind of issues, or I feel like something may be going on, or just hell, I just might try it. The 192 thermostat from Modern Muscle Extreme, or Modern Mopar Extreme, or whatever the website is. They sell a 192 thermostat, so I may give that a try. Anyway, give me some of your thoughts. If you got any concerns or whatever about it, post them down in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe for more. I got a Hellcat airbox conversion kit coming in. I'm interested to see what that does for my intake air temperatures and all that good stuff. So I wanted to show this real quick to you guys. This is a good representation. Pulling up to red light, and I'm fixing to go up a big mountain. It's going to be almost 30-40 seconds worth of a pull up a pretty good grade. I don't know the grade, it's not posted here, but I know it's a pretty steep mountain here in Birmingham. And starting off, stopped for just a second at the red light. Now we're back going 185 temp, 201 oil temp. And here's the mountain we're going up, so you get kind of an idea. I'm gonna pull this mountain and we're gonna watch what the temps do. Right now I'm accelerating up to speed limit. Hold it there at the speed limit, set the cruise 188. Now it's gonna climb right here. Why? The fans ain't gonna come on. The high fan ain't gonna come on. Now when your air conditioner's running, it's my understanding that you always have a fan on when your air conditioner's running. So it's summertime, air conditioner's always gonna be running. So I'm pretty much always gonna have a fan on. Red light. Like about 188 is what it got up to. 86 degrees outside. It got up to about 192 yesterday when I did the same pull, but it was about 96 degrees outside. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys these things. I thank everybody for watching, and I appreciate all my subscribers. Remember to check me out on Facebook and Instagram, Project 392. Appreciate it.